Hi, it's Natalie. And for anyone who has a garden with tomato plants and are flooded with tomatoes, what do? You can make homemade tomato sauce or you can make salsa. Come join me. Wagwan man, it's your girl Natalie, and today we'll be making salsa with these lovely tomatoes from my garden. For those who do not know how to peel and de-seed a tomato, come join me. So you want to add your tomato to boiling water, and you can have it in the water for at least 30 seconds, in which you're going to transfer that to cold water for another 10 seconds. See? The skin is already open, so we know it's ready. And then we're going to transfer this to our cutting board. I'm going to slice here and then peel. See how easy that is? All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this in quarter. That way the seed is easy to come out. I normally use a spoon to get the seed out. Don't forget to cut this stem off, or you can use your fingers to get in there, right? So we're going to do this for the other two. Okay, and cut the stem off. And get the seed out. So after which we will cut in smaller pieces. And this is what you want to do. Now that we have all the ingredients in front of us, we're going to add it to our pot. We have here 8 cups of diced tomato, 2 large chopped onions, and I chop it that. 2 bell peppers, and I use the green and yellow so I can add some color to my salsa. 2 jalapeno peppers. 1 can of tomato paste. 1 can of Campbell's tomato soup. 1/2 cup of white vinegar. And we're going to add the dry ingredients. You can find this information in the description below. So this is a combination of 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. So we're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil. So now that it's boiling, I'm going to turn the heat down and let it simmer for 45 minutes uncovered. Okay, it's been 30 minutes and I've been stirring this every 10 minutes. So I remember the first time I made this salsa, it looked like spaghetti sauce, but not to worry, it's going to be great salsa. It's been 45 minutes, so I'm going to turn the heat off and let it sit and cool. Okay, my salsa has been sitting for an hour and it looks perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare a little dish for myself. And while this is going in the microwave, I normally add a little cheese. The good thing about this salsa, you can actually freeze it, and it's good for 3 months. Okay, It's ready. Looking delicious. Wow, my favorite. Ooh, hot. Hot. Delicious. This is perfect. I mean, you can make it your own. If you love corn, you can throw some corn on it. Or you could add avocados. Just make it your own. If Nat can do, so can you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.